Okay guys, in this video we want to apply some of the things that we've learned about angles of polygons. And so we'll start out with this pentagon we have here. Now we want to find what x equals, and so basically then we know that the sum of the interior angles equals n minus 2 times 180. So 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 times 180 is 540. And again, I got that from 5 minus 2 times 180. Okay, so we know that that's the sum. So we're given some values here. So we have 90 plus 5x plus 8x plus 6x plus 4x equals, and that should equal 540. Okay, so 5 plus 8 is 13, plus 6 is 19, plus 4 is 23, so 23x equals 450. So x is going to equal 450 over 23, which is going to be a little bit less than 20. Okay, so 460 over 23 is 20, so it's going to be a little bit less than 20. So that's what x is going to equal, and then you can plug that back in to find the individual angles. Moving on here, we know that the sum of the angles is going to equal 360 degrees. Okay, so again, similar process. We have 90 plus 110 plus 80 plus x equals 360. Okay, so this is 280 degrees. 280 degrees. If you subtract 280 to the other side, subtract 280 here, subtract 280 here, x is going to equal, it looks like 80. All right. Now here we have exterior angles, and so we know that the sum of the exterior angles is always the same. Okay, so I just want to note here, just so you guys are aware, every angle in a polygon has two exterior angles. And let me show briefly here what that looks like. So here would be an exterior angle, so that would be 100. But then there's also an exterior angle here, which is 100. And so you can use, when we're talking about the exterior angles, you can use either one of these. It doesn't matter as long as it's an exterior angle. So moving on here, it looks like we want to find what x is. So x is, it looks like those are exterior angles. So we know that the exterior angles are going to add to 360. So first of all, we need to find the other exterior angles here. We know that this is going to be 90. And we know that this, because these two are a linear pair, we know that this is going to be 30 degrees. Okay, so we have 90 plus x plus 1, no, x plus 11, sorry, plus 30 plus x plus 20, and that's all going to equal 360. Okay, so the sum of the exterior angles is 360. So let me underline those. 90, x plus 1, 30, and x plus 20. Okay, so now we solve this. We have 90 plus 30 is 120, plus 20 is 140, plus 11 is 151. So 151, so 360 equals 151 plus 2x. All right. So we have to subtract 151. It looks like that's going to be, let's see, 209. Okay, so 209 equals 2x. So x equals 104.5. All right, so x equals 104.5. And so you can plug that back in. So it looks like this angle is going to be 124.5. That angle will be 115.5. So moving on to this last problem then. Same sort of thing. We have to figure out our exterior angles. So we have this one, this one, this one, we have an interior angle here and here, and then an exterior angle here. So we have to figure out the exterior angles. This is going to be 20 degrees, and this is going to be, it looks like 69 degrees. Now we know that all of these sum or add up to 360. So we get x plus 2x plus 20 plus 69 plus x plus 20 plus x minus 1 equals 360. All right. So add the x's first. X plus 2x is 3x, 4x, and 5x. So we have 5x. Write that here. 5x. And we have 20, 89, 109, 108. Okay. So 5x equals, if you subtract 108, you get 252. So x equals 250 divided by 5 is 50. So it's 50.4. Okay. Now you can plug this in. This should be 50.4. This should be 2 times 50.4, so 100.8. This would be 70.4, and this would be 49.4. So obviously this is not drawn to scale exactly, but this is how you apply, interior, some of exterior angles. Thanks for watching.